silver in memory of Eddie Aikau, your champion in 2016, John Florence.
I went in today just excited just to be a part of this event and be surfing it. I was so nervous. I was like, oh gosh, I just got to get through this day and hopefully get a couple waves. And I was riding my bike down this morning in the dark, and just the energy of how many people were parked all the way down the street. You know, I've lived here my whole life and I haven't seen it like that. And people were just like screaming, and the energy was just so crazy. And I've never been a part of an event like this, and it's definitely the highlight of my life for sure. And